In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage active power-ups in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects and collaborating with your team, and its power-ups feature allows you to enhance your boards with additional functionality to suit your workflow. Whether you're enabling calendar views, automating tasks, or integrating with other apps, managing power-ups effectively is essential for staying organized and productive. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can easily adjust and optimize power-ups on your Trello boards. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. From here, you'll need to choose your preferred method of signing in. You can log in using your email, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Select the option that works best for you. Once you've chosen your sign-in method, enter your credentials as prompted. Depending on your account settings, you may need to complete additional security steps, such as single sign-on or two-factor authentication. Follow those prompts to securely access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Navigate to the Boards view, which displays all the boards associated with your account. Now click on the specific board where you want to manage power-ups. If this board is part of a team, make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes. Without those permissions, you might not be able to adjust the power-ups. Once you're on the board, look near the top of your screen for the Power-Ups button. It's usually represented by a small rocket icon. Click on this button to open the Power-Ups menu. Within the menu, you'll see tabs or options to organize the list. Select the Enabled tab or menu option to filter the view so that you're only looking at the power-ups currently active on this board. Take a moment to review the list of active power-ups. For each power-up you want to adjust, locate its Settings option. This is typically labeled as Settings and can be accessed directly within the Power-Ups menu. Click on it to open the configuration options for that specific power-up. Now, you can make adjustments as needed. Depending on the power-up you're working with, you might be able to customize things like lists, labels, calendar views, automation triggers, or permissions. Carefully review the available options and make the changes that align with your workflow. If a Save button appears after making adjustments, be sure to click it to save your changes. Once you've updated a power-up, return to your board and confirm that the changes are working as intended. This step is important to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you need to adjust other power-ups on the board, simply repeat the process for each one. If the changes you make affect your team's workflows, it's a good idea to communicate these updates clearly. Let your team members know what's changed and how it might impact their tasks. This will help everyone stay on the same page. To keep your board running efficiently, consider disabling any power-ups that are no longer needed. Removing unnecessary power-ups can help optimize the performance of your board. If you manage multiple boards, you can repeat this entire process for each board to ensure all your power-ups are properly configured across your workspace. And that's it. You now know how to manage active power-ups in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.